Alright, so we doing my mom's hair today, and you see she need to get her color redone. So we gonna I wanted to cut some of this hair down because it's getting too long. She can't do nothing with it, but she don't want to cut. But we gonna take some of this down back through here. And she is all natural. Her hair is all natural, and we be taking good care of it. So it don't look like her hair is all natural. It look like she's gotta relax her turn. But I'm gonna trim this up, so I'm not getting ready to cut it all off so she don't have a stroke. So she don't. Yeah, we ain't gonna stroke her out, but we gonna take some of this out because that's too long. I mean, it's better if she put a scarf around here and be able to keep that and just leave that up top. So this is what we get ready to do. So, all right. Trying to be like, she trying to be like me with this side. Trying to be like me when she grow up. Yes. Your color on. So we put permanent color since her hair is natural. We put permanent color on her hair. here first. And around her hairline first.
Okay, so now we get it all applied on here. So now we're gonna let the color sit for 40 minutes and then we'll shampoo it out. And so that you know, this is the shampoo, nothing extra fancy, that I'm going to use to shampoo and condition our hair. We're gonna do a deep condition. I'm a believer in deep condition. We're gonna set her up on the dryer for like 10 to 15 minutes. And then after we do that, we're gonna rinse her and then we're gonna set her. And then I'll show you the procedure of me setting her hair. All right, so this is her hair. We got the color in. Get that color all in here. That's just her scalp. And you see she all natural. Now we're getting ready to set her up. Okay, put the setter. And when I set her, I use my favorite Nairobi. And then I might use a little bit of gel and my black little wrapping papers. So ready to get up under the dryer. Okay. So now her hair is dry and set. Now we're going to shape her up. I'm going to shape up her hairline with my peanut. all natural. Basically, this is the finished result. This is at home on my day off type stuff that I have to do. Doing hair. So this is the ending product. Let's go back. So you can see her hair.
That's it. I hope y'all like this video. Like I said, she's all natural, and that's what I do on my days off. I have to get the energy to do that when I'm off for work. So I was off for work today, and I said, let's go ahead and freshen up her haircut a little bit and freshen up her color. And she wanted something like mine, but her hair ain't as long as mine, so we just try to improvise the best we can. But like I said, we had to cut all that out so she could put a scarf on so they could lay this right around the sides and the back, and all she do is worry about the top. So she swears she want to be a diva, so we got to let her be a diva, okay? So I hope you guys like this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, you guys be blessed.